multiplying and dividing decimals. So, in multiplying decimals, mag-multiply lang tayo normally. And bibilangin lang natin kung ilang decimal point yung nasa given and yun yung i-move natin sa product. So, I will give you 3 examples just like you see on the screen. So, tatlong example for the multiplication and another 3 example for division. So, let's start. So, without minding the decimal point, we could just write the given 37.85 kahit hindi ko isulat yung point, pwede namang sa given na lang tignan kung ilang decimal place. So, we have 10, 17, 14, 15, and then 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. And then kapag 1, yung multiply natin, any number multiply to 1 is equals to itself. So, sulat lang natin yung 3785. Kahit, wag mo isulat yung decimal point. So, 5873. And then let's add. Ganyan naman talaga, diba? After multiplying, we will be adding. So, then 0 on 12, and then 14, 10, and then 4. And then that's the time you will be looking on your given. So, ito nasa whole number part to. And then also ito yung number din to. So, ilan lang yung number after the decimal point. So, ito yung decimal point. So, bilang tayo ng dalawa. So, we have ito lang. So, 2 decimal place. Kasi yun lang yung nandun sa decimal point. So, let's move. So, ang pag-move ko is nagsisimula sa right, going to left. So, dahil dalawa, we'll count 1, 2. So, when we write, the final answer is 454.2. Since yung 0 sa decimal point, or sa decimal place rather, ay walang value, you don't need to write 0. Kapag nasa dulo siya ha. Pero kapag in between ng counting numbers, syempre dapat isusulat natin yun. Okay, so let me change again the color. So let's have another example. So 385, 5. Halimbawa, kagaya nito, pwede namang hindi mo na isulat yung decimal place. So we will just go back here on the given. Tingnan na lang tayo after we multiply this. So multiply mo lang tayo normally. So 5 times 5 is 25, carry up 2. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2 is 42, carry up 4. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19. And then, that's the time you will count ilan to. So 1, 2. Ito naman, whole number 2, kaya wala kang bibilangin dyan. Ito din, whole number. So which means we have again 2 decimal place. Nagkataon lang na 2 decimal, kagaya ng example lang niya una. Pero, bilangin nyo lang talaga yun kung ilan. Kung halimbawa may decimal place din dito, syempre bibilangin din. So let's now move again from right going to left. So 1, 2. So kagaya dito sa example na una, kahit 0 ito, kasama pa rin siya sa bilang. Okay? So ito, wala naman 0. Pero I just mentioned it. So dapat kasama rin sa bilang dun sa product no. So let's write our final answer. I'm just writing the word final answer just to show kung ano yung final answer natin. Ayan. And for the last example, let's have 2.65 times 1.83. I would be writing it with decimal point, pero again, pwede din naman wala po. So, by the way, hindi naman kailangan pantay yung nandito. Sa inyo yun, pero kasi pag mag-multiply, diba, it's better na pantay yung nandito, yung nasa right side. So, let's now solve. So, 5 times 3 is 15, carry up 1. 6 times 3, 18, plus 1, 19, carry up 1. 4 times 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. Okay, and the next line. Remember, kapag multiplication, di ba, umusog tayo ng isang digit. So, 8 times 5 is 40, carry up 4. And then, 8 times 6 is 48, 52, carry up 5. So, 8 times 2 is 16. So, 21. Okay, wala na siyang kapantay. Kasi yung 0 katapat ng 9, yung 2 katapat ng 7. So, wala nang kapantay. So, let's now multiply this. Then, at pag 1, hindi ko na siya iniisa-isa. I just write from right going to left yung given sa taas. So, mag-move ulit ng isa pa. So, I will just write 5, 6, 2. And then, let's add. So, 5, 9, 14, carry up 1, 8, and then 4. Tapos, let's now count the decimal place. So, dalawa dito, and dalawa. So, sa unang given, dalawang decimal place. Sorry. And for the second one is dalawa ulit. So, bali, 4. So, 4 moves from right going to left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito nag-stop. So, nandiyan yung pinaka-decimal point natin. So, our final answer is, FA na lang. I'm sure to end. Okay, so 4.8495. Okay, let's now have the division of decimals. So sa division of decimals, it is very important that your divisor, by the way, yung unang given is your dividend, the second given, after ng division sign, that is your divisor. So, kailangan when you divide is whole number si divisor. But as you can see on this example, ay whole number naman si divisor. So, hindi ko na explain yun. So, again, dividend yung nasa loob. And then, divisor yun nasa labas. So, usually, ginagawa ko dyan, kung nasa yung decimal point, kinokopya ko na yun, naglalagay na ako ng decimal point. Ila-line up na. Okay? So, dahil hindi kasya ang 7 na to dun sa 6, sa first digit, you need to write 0. And then, if you would like to multiply it back, yung 0 times 7, and then 0, diba? And then, subtract. So, 6 minus 0. 6, and then bring down 3. Yan. Tapos, dahil dyan nakasya, so how many 7 we can get from 63? That is 9. Yan. And then, let's just multiply 9 times 7, that is 63. And as you can see, sumakto siya. So, 0. So, hindi na tayo susulat pa, or mag-bring down pa ng 0 kasi wala na tayong i-divide. So, which means that this is already the final answer. Okay? So, let's have another example. Okay. If you will observe, wait lang, sulat ko. So, again, this is our dividend. This is our divisor. So, ito yung nasa loob, ito yung nasa labas. And sabi nga, kapag mag-divide ng decimal is whole number yung divisor. As you can see, may decimal point tayo. So, mag-move tayo ng dalawa. 1, 2. So, 2 move. Or 2 moves. Yan. So, pwede na natin, isunod ko na lang muna yung divisor natin. So, 82. So, yun na yung divisor natin. Diba? Yun yung nasa labas. Okay, and then ngayon, bilangin natin using a different color. Kung dahil dalawa yung moves, ganun din yung i-move natin sa dividend natin. So, dalawang move yan. So, 1, 2. So, dito nag-stop. Kaya, kapag sinulat na natin si dividend, hindi na siya 4.305. Kasi, dahil nag-move dito, dapat mag-move din sa kanya. So, our new dividend, bakit new? Kasi nga nag-move yung decimal point. So, we have 430.5. Yeah. And then, that's the time we could divide. So, let's now divide how many 82 we can get from 430. Sa 4 hindi kasya, sa 3 hindi kasya, kasi 43. Sa 430 tayo. And, lagay ko na pala yung decimal point ko para hindi makalimutan. So, sa 430 nagkasya. So, doon tayo maglalagay ng pinaka-answer. And that is 5. 5 yung kasya. So, let's multiply 5 times 82. That is 410. And then, subtract tayo. So, this is 20, and gaya ng ordinary division, we will need to bring that. So, let's get ilang 205, or ilang 82 rather, ilang 82 ang kasya sa 205. I tried times, multiplying it by 3, ay 246. So, lagpas, kaya, so, sa dalawa lang kasya. And that is 164. Okay, so, let's now subtract 41, and then mag-bring down ng 0, kasi, hindi to pwede remainder kasi nga nasa decimal tayo. So, 410, and dahil 82 times 5, I think I have 141. So, sakto siya, 410. So, we will write 5. And then, 5 times 82, ito na nga yung solution, mukha lang P. So, we have 410. Okay, 0. So, wala na tayong i-bring down, or ilalagay ng 0 dito, dahil nga, 0 na yung nandito sa dulo. So, ang ating final answer ay 5.25. And for the last example in division, so, ito yung ating divisor. You don't need to label when you are answering. The reason why I am writing the label is parang reminder kung ano yung divisor, ano yung dividend. So, dito, one move lang. Siyempre, kung ilan yung move sa divisor natin, ilan din yung move sa dividend. So, ibig sabihin, from here, mag-move lang tayo ng isa dito. So, let's now write our given. We have 62.547, and then ang ating dividend ay 3. Okay. So, 6 kasya, or kung gusto nyo nang i-divide sa 62, pwede naman. Yan. Okay, so 62 na natin i-divide, so that ang kasya ay 20. 20 times 3 is 60, and then let's subtract 2, and then bring down tayo. So, ilang 3 kasya sa 25, that's 8 pala. Kasi 8 times 3 is 24. And then 1, bring down 4. So, bring down tayo. Okay, so 14 ay 4 ang kasya kasi 12. Then, let's subtract again. So, 2, bring down 7. So, we have 9. Okay, so, which means, this will be our final answer. So, ganun po, kapag nag-divide ng decimal. So, that's for now.